Jai Hind, I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete exercise question of the unit Nature's Treasure. So, what we have to do here, this video is for class 6 and for science student. Here we'll complete question answer. First question of MCQ type questions are here. Thereafter fill in the blanks and true false and definitions, and after that answer in brief and the long answers type questions are here. So we'll cover entire answer. So first, that is the MCQ question. Here four options are given here. Among them one option is correct. So we have to choose the correct answer. So first question is, which of the following characteristic distinguishes living organism from non-living organism objects? Among the options, the answer is that is the sunlight. Next is, what is key characteristics of non-renewable resource? The main key characteristics are they takes million of years to form. The next is, which of the following is an ecosystem resource? The correct options is clean air. So C, B is a correct option. Next is, which of these contributes to air pollution? Means burning of fossil fuels lead to the air pollution. That is the C is a correct option answer. The next is, what is primary source of renewable energy for solar panels? That is the sunlight is a primary sources or primary panel for the solar energy. Now the next is, fill in the blanks type questions are here. Among them, I have written the answer. Renewable resource like sunlight and wind replenish naturally over a time. Next is, non-renewable resources such as coal, petroleum takes millions of years to form. The next is, forest is a renewable resource that provides oxygen and maintains ecological balance. The next is, burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and causing pollutions. The next is, the three R resources conservations are reuse and recycle. Now the next type of question is, right answer true or false against the statement. The first is, non-renewable resources can replenish naturally within a human lifetime. That is a false. The next is, renewable resources like forests do not require conservation. False. Next is, air pollution is primarily caused by the burning of fossil fuels. Yes, this is true. Next is, the solar panels use sunlight to generate electricity. Yes, this is true. Now the next type question is, define the terms. Given terms are here and we have to define this term. The first term is ecosystem resources. Things like clean air, water and soil that helps plants, animal and wind and people live. That is ecosystem resources. Next is renewable resource. Natural things like sunlight and wind that can be used again and again. That is called renewable resources. The next is non-renewable resources. Natural things like coal and oil that takes millions of years to form and cannot be made quickly again. That is called non-renewable resource. Now the next is fossil fuels. The fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas made from the dead plants and animals over a long time. That is fossil fuels. And sustainable development is using the resource carefully so that people in the future generation also get to use them again. That is the sustainable development, means development of resource by harming the original resource. That is called sustainable development, and it is generally used for future generation. Now next question is, match the column. Here column A and column B are here. In the column B, the correct answers are here. So see, the first statement is non-renewable resources. That is the B is a correct option, that is cannot be replenished naturally. The next is renewable resources, that is the wind, sunlight and water. So A is a correct option. The next is ecosystem resources, that is clean air and fertility soil. Next is conservation of resource, that is the reduce waste and recycle. So D is a correct option. Next is fossil fuels, that is coal and petroleum and natural gas, that is the fossil fuel. The next type of question is reason. We have to give the correct reason against the statements. The first statement is, renewable resources needs to be conserved even though they replenish naturally. It is because overuse can make them unavailable for some use sometimes. Next statement is, Non-renewable resources are at risk of depletion due to overuse. The reason is it is because they take millions of years to form and cannot made quickly again. This is the basic reason. Now next is burning fossil fuels contributes to air pollution and climate changes. Yes, the reason is it is because it releases harmful gases into the air. Next question is uh, forests are vital for maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. The proper reason is it's because they give oxygen, shelters to animals and keep natural balance. The next is sustainable development helps in preserving resources for future generations. The reason is it is because it means using resources wisely so future people can also use them. The next type of question is answer in brief. The first question is what are some examples of renewable and non-renewable resource? The answer is renewable resource like sunlight, wind and water, and non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum and natural gases. The next question is why is it important to conserve non-renewable resource? It is because they take millions of years to form and once used they cannot be replaced quickly. So this is the correct answer. The next question is how does the use of renewable energy benefits the environment? The answer is it does not pollute the air and helps keep the air clean and safe. The next is what role do ecosystem resources plays in supporting life on earth? The answer is they give us clean air, water and soil which help plant and animal and human lives. The next question is what does the term sustainable development means? The answer is using sustainable natural resource widely so that future generation can also use them. That is sustainable development. Simply learn that one line. Sustainable development is the development of resource without harming for future generation. That is the sustainable development. But the next is answer in detail. So the answer in detail that first question is discuss the difference between renewable and non-renewable resource with examples. First is renewable resources can be used again and again, like examples are sunlight and wind. The next is non-renewable resources like millions of years to form and cannot be used replaced quickly, and like coal and petroleum it is once used is totally combusted. The next question is explain how human activity contribute to the depletion of natural resources. The answer is cutting too many trees, using too much water and burning fuel cause resources to reduce and disappear. The next question is describe the role of forest in maintaining ecological balance and their conservation efforts. The answer is forest gives oxygen and gives shelter animal and keep the air clean. We should plant more and more tree to stop the forest cutting of forest. Now the next is question how can sustainable development practices help mitigate environmental issue? The answer is by serving energy using them in clean resource like solar power and not wasting resources, and we must protect natures. The next and last question is compare and contrast the use of fossil fuels and renewable resources energy resource. The answer is first is fossil fuels you cause pollution and will run out one day, and the renewable energy like solar and wind clean in is clean and will not get run out. The next last point is using more renewable energy keeps the earth healthy. With this in, if you have any confusion, you can ask the question in the comment box. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.